Hello, welcome back guys to Spotarya channels here. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to show battery percentage on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click the subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, now let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, you have to do here, you just have to open the settings apps here. And as you can see at the battery icon, you will not see and not find the percentage of the battery. If you want to show it, you just have to scroll it down at this settings page. You just have to scroll it down and find the battery options. You just have to click it. And after, here at the last options, you will see the battery percentage. If you want to show it, you just have to tap the button here beside the battery percentage. You just have to tap it. And now, as you can see, beside the battery icon, you will see the percentage of battery. And if you want to save it, you just have to close the page. It will be saved automatically. And yeah, I think it's enough for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. I'll see you soon on the next video. Goodbye.